today, using the GoPro for the first time. Joe went to go get it because we're not used to carrying it, so we forgot it. He's coming. Yeah. Cool. If you use a GoPro, what's a good angle for this?
Just keep it level.
You might be wondering, where are you taking us? But don't ask me. I'm not from around here. I have no clue.
Somewhere fun, let's go.
We decided to come up the 39, which is probably the poorest idea due to the high volume of traffic on this road on the weekends. And it is a Sunday today, so. And Joe is over there trying to configure the GoPro. Hey! So that's the 39. And this is the gate and the start of the Rincon shortcut. Don't worry if you see it locked. You can go on the side here. It is 95 degrees.
Oh, wait, what? Started melting there for a second.
You're starting to look like this little guy. What?
His eyes are like wide.
This is my
Your schnizzle? Your shiznits?
This is my shit.
Ooh, this much, this much.
Alright, we got 100 degrees. About another 900 feet left to climb. And then we get to go down. Oh, I can't wait to get to the top.
It's 106 degrees.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, so our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
Whew! Main part of the climb is done. We've still got another 300 or so feet left to climb, but it's just kind of more rolling and one pretty steep hill left right at the end. And then we get to do the descent and then head back on the pavement. It's freaking hot. Here he comes, Emma. Really love this water bottle rig. We tried using a frame bag, but my knees always hit, so that didn't work out too well. It's probably the lightest way to carry water as well.
Up there, you're gonna come to a T and you're gonna see a sign that points you to the 2 or back to the 39. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go straight or left, and then you're gonna see this gate. So at this point, you have completed your climb. Woo! all you have to do is go down Monrovia. You've seen that before. On my last video, I was climbing up Monrovia. Today we're descending, and then we're probably gonna stop at the same little stream and cool down. Oh my God, that's gonna be so good. Ah, I can't wait.
This is him. This is you.
Why you make fun of me? Back at our favorite stream. Oh yeah, getting cooled.
Ah, feels like $1 million. Damn it. Ah.
No, you fell? Babe, why?
This is why I don't fucking film going downhill anymore. Honestly, I really don't think that was because I was going any faster than I normally do.
To the bottom, and now we're just gonna ride home and check it out. We found a water fountain. Woo woo. Oh, and Joe's I don't want to say you're an idiot.
Joe felt like an idiot because he went too fast. Now that he has a GoPro, he has to prove a point or something like that. I don't know what it is, but
thumbs up if you liked seeing him fall. Oh no.
And she doesn't even want to kiss it.
Ew.
I have one here too, but you can't see it. And I also have a little bit of one in my elbow.
Oh, poor thingy.
Also that little one.
Oh.
That one. Ah, it's better.
Our home, it is. Oh my God, it is hot. Let me show you. 105. Thanks. Thanks, babe. Whew, we just got home. Oh, it feels so good. Look, I'm gonna chug this pineapple juice.
The whole thing.
Oh my God, and this is live. Thumbs up if you agree. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the little video. I hope you enjoyed the GoPro takes, and stay tuned for more. I'm just gonna go enjoy this now.